of the module, we were assigned to approach any company of our choice, and we decided to go with Moss Open Table and carry out the Blue Ocean strategy. In my team, I have Solofelo Rangosha, I have Fairytale Sadimbo, we have also Sekai Kajimo and Boling Jani. Established in 2021, Moss Open Table made their first footprint in Gaborone, Solofelo Park, before shifting their operations to their current location in the heart of Fairgrounds Office Park. Moss Open Table is a family-owned restaurant founded by Mr. Moses Modise, who has gained culinary skills from working in different restaurants locally. He has employed skilled workers that help him to execute his vision very well. They initially served traditional cuisine and later decided to incorporate a diverse array of Italian and American cuisines with vegan options. Not forgetting the best-selling item, the Big Moss Burger. Additionally, they also have a beverage section where a variety of alcohol and drinks are served, with a spacious outdoor seating and an exceptional dine-in. Now we're going to look into the internal analysis. We carried out an internal analysis trying to find out the enterprising behaviors of the owner, who is Mr. Modise. According to the general enterprising tendency test, the owner exhibits characteristics such as taking charge and also having the drive to seek opportunities and using resources wisely to achieve his plans. We also looked into his attitude towards risk-taking and making decisions. He is very decisive and self-aware, with being able to accurately assess his capabilities. And also looking under organizational innovativeness, the employees lack motivation to continue growing and to become more creative due to the employer's willingness to run everything in the restaurant on his own. There is also lack of money. That lack of money has created a creative block in that there isn't enough resources to help them grow their culinary skills. Now we're gonna look at external analysis. They have faced contemporary issues such as scarcity of locations and high rental costs. And also, we're going to look into the source of market innovation, which are the demographics. Focusing on a certain dynamic group like age or income, they will be able to formulate specific innovative measures to provide the respective group with added value.
In the consultation process, we used the DITBOM model. First of all, in the DITBOM model, we deliberated, whereby we planned everything on how to carry out the strategy. We introduced ourselves to our client and established a relationship with him. We diagnosed the business in terms of researching on what their needs are and their wants are. Then we developed the Blue Ocean strategy that met their needs. And we also sat down with the client and agreed on the solution, and that allowed us to go to the last stage of the consultancy model where we built on the strategy. We chose an idea and followed the lean startup. The project objective, the Blue Ocean strategy. The Blue Ocean strategy is the concurrent pursuit of differentiation and low cost to commence a new market and create a demand. Through this research, we aimed to create a new demand for Moss Open Table in uncontested market spaces of the restaurant industry. We used analytic tools and framework to formulate and execute the Blue Ocean strategy in a systematic and actionable way. The diagnostic strategy canvas. It is a tool that we use to represent the current competitive landscape in the industry. We looked at 9 principal competitive factors, which included the menu offering, location, prices, ambience and theme, food quality, quality of customer service, events catering, promotional strategies, and bottle services and cocktails. This is an illustration of how the market looked before. It is clear that Moore's Open Table was currently being outperformed by 267 Kitchen and Bar, which performed well in terms of their location, their prices, and even their promotional strategies. Now, a conclusion can be made that there is a need, or there was a need for Moore's to create a blue ocean strategy that will help them capture the uncontested market space and create a demand whilst being competitive or maintaining a competitive edge.
The 6-part framework, looking across alternative industries. Looking across alternative industries will provide valuable perspective and ideas that may inform and enhance most open table strategic direction, operations, and competitiveness. We conducted a questionnaire to understand the reasons why people visit restaurants, and we discovered that individuals dine out for various purposes. This includes socializing and catching up with friends or specific groups, appreciating aesthetic beauty, and seeking a calm and a quiet environment to work on. Examples of alternative industries within most open table industry are cinema industry. Incorporating comfortable sitting options like couches in most open table can enhance the dining experience, encouraging customers to relax and stay longer, thereby increasing revenue per table. Art gallery and poetry performances. Hosting live art displays or poetry performances within most open table. Most open table can provide entertainment and unique atmosphere for diners, hence creating memorable experiences that encourage repeat visits and positive word of mouth marketing. Moving into adventure industry, raffle giveaways. Implementing monthly raffle giveaways stimulate customer loyalty and drive repeat business. Theme-based decorations for special nights. Decorating the restaurant based on the themes like Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, and Easter creates a festive mood that attracts customers seeking special dining experiences during holidays. Thereby, it will set most open table apart from its competitors and it will build customer loyalty. Showcasing chef's skill live. Offering live cooking demonstrations or chef's table experiences allows customers to witness the culinary expertise firsthand, adding a sense of theater to the dining experience. Moving into the library industry. Providing charging stations or portals for electronic devices addresses the modern need for connectivity and convenience, and this will encourage customers to stay longer, increasing the dwell-in time and potentially leading to an additional orders or upsells. QR code for meal information. Implementing QR codes on menus to provide detailed information about meals, including ingredients, nutritional facts, and historical background, enhances transparency and customer engagement. And this caters for tech-savvy diners who value access to information and personalized dining experiences. Reconstructing market boundaries. Reconstructing market boundaries. By incorporating features from these alternative industries, most open table can create a unique and compelling dining expertise that resonate with customers. This fosters loyalty and drives business growth.
4 actions framework. The 4 actions framework is a strategy to design to help businesses differentiate themselves from competitors by systematically rethinking their strategies part of the Blue Ocean strategy, which aims to create new market spaces, making the competition irrelevant. This approach involves 4 key actions, namely eliminate, reduce, raise, and create. Implementing the 4 actions framework can lead to a clear strategic shift that differentiates Mo's restaurant from its competitors, attract new customers, and open new market spaces. Eliminating the 4 action framework refers to a strategy whereby a business eliminates non-efficient operations, replacing them with more efficient and productive ways of doing business. Mo's Open Table could eliminate physical menus and replace them with digital podiums where customers will place their orders in the shop. These digital podiums will be loaded with all the menus and the prices, allowing flexibility to customers. This strategy will reduce paper usage, thereby reducing the company's carbon footprint, whilst at the same time giving customer flexibility, providing a unique technology-driven dining. Raise. Whilst continuously focusing on offering exceptional service and unique dining experiences, Mo's Open Table could increase the frequency of adventure, game nights, interactive art to entertain the customers. Actions framework. The 4 actions framework is a strategic tool designed to help business differentiate themselves from competitors by systematically rethinking their strategies. It is part of the Blue Ocean strategy, which aims to create new market spaces, making the competition irrelevant. This approach involves 4 key actions, namely eliminate, reduce, raise, and create. Mo's Open Table could eliminate physical menus and replace them with digital podiums where customers will place their orders in the shop. These digital podiums will be loaded with all the menus and the prices, allowing flexibility to customers. This strategy will reduce paper usage, thereby reducing the company's carbon footprint, whilst at the same time giving customers flexibility, providing a unique technology-driven dining table. Raise. Whilst continuously focusing on offering exceptional service and unique dining experiences, Mo's Open Table could increase the frequency of adventure game nights in interactive art to entertain the customers. Reduce. This is a strategy by which a business can reduce non-efficient ways of doing business. It could also reduce on food wastage by using pre-ordered tickets, mostly for special nights such as Valentine's Day celebrations and birthdays celebration. Create. Create is about bringing creative solutions to boost the business. Most Open Table creates an exciting dining environment where customers who spend on promoted meals will have the opportunity to spin a customized wheel with prizes. This entertains customers and attracts others.
This strategy canvas shows that the value that Mo's Open Table will have will set them far apart from their competitors. A significant change in ambience and creating convenience measures will mean a lot to current and potential customers. And also, hosting promotional events that are exclusive to Mo's Table, such as outdoor cooking shows and raffles, will provide an exciting chance to win from an array of prices. A key strength that Mo's has is that it has staff that is trained in positive interaction with their customers. Mo's also offers a variety of things on its menu. However, Mo's is located in a place that is not easily accessible and it is also surrounded by its competitors, being Mezzo's Cafe, KFC, and the Pavilion restaurant. Another problem that Moe's is facing is that there is an inconsistency in availability of ingredients. This is mainly because they source locally. Moe's could also venture into new things like using technology such as digital paradigms for better services to their customers. They could also have collaborations with local businesses and also participate in community events, which will increase visibility of Moe's in the market.
The lean startup process. In executing the strategy, we decided to pick one of the ideas. The idea was customers will purchase a meal on promotion, they will use the receipts to enter the competition, and at the end of the month, there will be a draw or a raffle draw. That one winner will spin the wheel and get to win a prize. In the building part, we created the designated box. We chose a meal, the Moe's Burger. That was the meal that was on promotion that time. And we designed a competition poster. These were our findings. The number of burgers purchased during the 3-week promotion period was 11, including the receipts collected. Some customers, although, were unhappy that the promotional meal did not cater to their preferences, but overall, the competition was a success. We learned that offering one meal in the promotion limited some customers who do not enjoy burgers. In our absence, the owner will work on improving the variety of promotional meal offerings. In conclusion, we successfully created a blue ocean strategy for Moe's Open Table. Within that strategy, we successfully tested one of the ideas, which was the raffle giveaway, aiming to provide them with a competitive edge. If the owner continues to incorporate this strategy, he will be able to sustain a competitive edge in the marketplace. Thank you.